Isgec Heavy Engineering Ltd. With a focus on the core value of engineering for excellence, we at Isgec use our skills as qualified and experienced engineers to achieve excellence. Excellence in all we do, so that our clients may achieve excellence in all that they do. With roots going back to a good 85 plus years, the company today has manufacturing plants and design offices spread across India, and a diversified range of business verticals that cater to a wide variety of sectors. Process equipment, EPC projects, boilers, sugar plants and machinery, presses for metal forming, steel and iron castings, air pollution control equipment, and contract manufacturing. With nearly 900 qualified engineers and as many technicians on board, Isgec has been providing state-of-the-art, sustainable, sensible solutions to a vast and ever-growing list of customers from around the world. Customers who have regularly placed repeat orders on us. Customers that are located in 90 countries across 6 continents. With a foundation that is forged in steel, a will that is indomitable, and a global array of satisfied clientele, Isgec continues to live and breathe engineering to create excellence.